How many eggs, Mom?
It's 6.
Oh, I was very close.
6 eggs inside.
Jay, what do you think about that, darling?
Jay is the mother. Okay, she's over there.
She's like minding her own business.
Then
Sorry, I'm
she's-
gonna close this so that she doesn't get freaked out.
She was make a lot of noise, complain. This is the morning. We'll clean the cage. So we'll bring outside. There's parent there, and then there's
The sweet peas.
and there's a whole bunch of baby. Not a baby, 3 months old.
Well, this is the kind of baby.
Yeah, and then this 2 is the youngest. Not the youngest, but the same age, 3 months old.
They are the youngest, Mom.
But we're not sure.
No, the size and this is the youngest.
Okay.
That's the second youngest.
Okay, this is those are about
2 years old.
1 or 2 years old.
Simone is 1, the rest of them are 2.
Okay. Narana. It's let me see. Next month, right? Birthday coming.
Yeah. Yeah, next month.
Good morning, birdie.
Just switching out my music.
Here's the whole family. Yeah. There's baby 3 months old. The parent is there.